Boeing, South Carolina is joining the fight against the coronavirus. Earlier today, 3 Boeing Dreamlifter planes delivered thousands of pieces of personal protective equipment to be used at state hospitals, including MUSC. News 2's Riley Benson joins us live from Boeing.
Sophia, that's right. 3 Boeing Dreamlifters delivered over 150,000 pieces of PPE, including face masks and goggles, all to be used by MUSC frontline workers. Governor McMaster was in attendance earlier today, along with other state and local leaders, all who say PPE will play a pivotal role in the reopening of South Carolina.
These masks, they call it personal protective equipment, PPE, will be a major part of that reopening.
State and local leaders tasked with reopening the state. Governor Henry McMaster says even though the threat of the virus is still there, health officials are continuing to work around the clock.
The virus has been chasing us, but now we've turned the tables and we're chasing the virus.
And while the goal is to reopen things as quickly and safely as possible, MUSC President Dr. David Cole says there is more work to be done.
Monitor and respond. Those are the keys to how we move forward. Together, we must be able to keep the incidence of new infections low.
Dr. Cole says every leader, company, and individual in the community and across the state plays a role in moving forward and keeping rates of new cases low.
Boeing, South Carolina has fully embraced this call to action, not just with their own organization, but in supporting the important work of our state's healthcare systems in combating COVID-19.
Elected officials in attendance say the theme of today's press conference is about working together.
I mean, it's about putting people over politics, and it's about putting low country over party, and just Democrats, Republicans, Independents coming together, especially in a time of crisis like this.
City of Charleston Mayor John Tecklenburg says working together at the state and local level will bear the best outcome.
It's really a remarkable team effort to provide safety, to get back into business, but to do it in a safe fashion.
Sophia, Dr. Cole says South Carolina has made it to first base in the fight against coronavirus, but says there's work to be done, including additional testing and monitoring, while working with partners to come back stronger. Live in North Charleston, Riley Benson, Count on 2.